Okay, this is your how to complete this video for Wednesday, December 2nd, Math Independent Assignment. So I'm in Google Classroom, under Classwork, under the week of November 30th through December 4th. I'm going to find the assignment that says Wednesday, December 2nd, Math Independent. And it says watch this video first. But this video that I'm making will be posted right here. Complete the assignment, turn it in. This is due by Wednesday, December 2nd. By midnight, it is worth 6 points. So you'll click right here. And I've got a little anchor chart that will help you. So this lesson is all about adding and subtracting decimals. The one thing that I notice is that you're not always lining them up. The tens have to be with the tens. The ones have to be with the ones. The decimals have to be lined up. The tenths have to be lined up. The hundredths have to be lined up. The thousandths have to be lined up. If you have an empty spot where you don't have a digit, for example, right here in the thousandths place, I did not have a digit, so we put a 0 there. And then you need to add or subtract and bring your decimal down. The second mistake that we made on our quiz that we took the week before last was you're not paying attention to the sign. If it's an addition sign, you need to add. If it's a subtraction sign, you need to subtract. You need to do something to pay attention to that sign, okay? So here's what you're going to do. So it says type the numbers into the correct spaces, then solve the problem. Drag the dashes to the correct numbers if regrouping is necessary. So this, with the slotted lines, the dashed lines around the border, is for your regrouping. The solid lines around the boxes are for not regrouping. So I have 89 and 1/10, so I have to type that in. 8 tens, 9 ones, 1/10, minus 48 and 477 thousandths. So I'm going to type that in. 4 tens, 8 ones, 4 tenths, 7 hundredths, 7 thousandths. Okay, notice that I don't have digits here. If I don't have digits, I simply add a 0. Each column has to have 2 digits in it, okay? So now I'm ready to subtract. 0, take away 7. That is not 7. I need to regroup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this over and slash it out. So I'll have to come over here. Oh man, I can't do that. So I'm going to have to regroup again. And then I'm going to have to come over here and regroup as well. Okay. So this was a 10 and I took 1 away. Now it's a 9. I gave 1 to the 0, which makes it a 10. But I also regrouped here and it was a 1. Now it's a 0. So now I'm going to subtract. 10, take away 7, 3. 9, take away 7, 2. 0, take away 4. Can't do that either. I have to regroup again. I'm going to slash it out. I'm going to take 1 away. It's no longer 9. It is now 8. So now I can take that 1 that I took away and put it here. So it's no longer 0. It is 10. 10, take away 4 is 6. 8, take away 8, 0. 8, take away 4, 4. I end with 40 and 623 thousandths. You're going to do the same thing on each of these. Okay? Pay attention to whether or not it is addition or subtraction. I'll go ahead and model an addition now. Okay, so now I'm going to model the addition. So again, I have to type it in. So I have 1, 9, 0, 4, 19 and 4/100ths plus 5, and that's 5 ones, not 5 tens, 5 and 0, 0, 9, 5 and 9 thousandths. I'm noticing that I have a couple places that need zeros, so I'm going to go ahead and click and input my zeros. Now, I am adding. Please make sure you're adding when you need to add, subtracting when you need to subtract. Okay, so 0 plus 9, 9. 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 5, that's 14. So what you need to do here is you need to put your 4, regroup your 1. See how I did that? 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 2. My sum is 24 and 49 thousandths. I want you to get in the habit of saying these decimals as you finish them. So what do you need to do? Well, now you need to complete this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so 4, you have to do 4 of them. Please make sure that you are typing the numbers in correctly, that the tens are with the tens, the ones are with the ones, the tenths are with the tenths, the hundredths are with the hundredths, and the thousandths are with the thousandths. Please make sure you're regrouping as necessary. Please make sure you're paying attention to the sign. When you're done with this, you're going to come back to the assignment. You're going to click View Assignment and turn it in. Reminder, it is due by Wednesday, December 2nd by midnight, and it is worth 6 points.